Earphones usually use one of two drivers: dynamic, circular, for bass; balanced armature, square, for clarity and treble. Liberty 2 Pro combines both into a unique design: the Astria coaxial acoustic architecture. Its 11mm dynamic driver develops potent bass and power, with a customized Knowles balanced armature presenting the purest detail and treble. And in Liberty 2 Pro, these drivers are mounted coaxially, treble inside bass for complete harmony. A treble filter ensures that the dynamic driver only outputs bass, so it doesn't interfere with the balanced armature, and Astria is aligned direct to ear to completely avoid any interference. The result is the purest sound over the most expansive sound stage for in-ear studio performance.